In this video, we'll be showing you how to update your iPhone to iOS 18. Start off by opening up your Settings app. Then you'll want to click on the General tab. Within the General tab, you can find the Software Update option. Go ahead and click on that, and then it'll show you what is available for your iPhone. Here, you can see it's giving us the option to update to a new version of iOS 17, or on the very bottom, we can upgrade to iOS 18. Once you select Update Now, it will prompt you to enter your passcode, and then it will pull up the terms and conditions for you to either accept or deny. If you accept them, then your iPhone will begin the process of requesting an update from Apple. One important thing to note, before your iPhone begins to update, you either need to have above a 50% charge or have your phone plugged in so it has enough power to complete the update without it shutting off. Requesting the update will take about 10 minutes, but then after that has completed, your iPhone should begin to look like this, and it will say how much time is remaining before the update begins to kick in place. After that time has completed, you'll see a little sign that says verifying update. This will take a little while, and then your phone is going to go into almost like a restarting mode. So your screen's going to turn black as you see here, and then the Apple logo will kick back on. After a little while, you will have another loading bar that will show you the progress of the update. This will be the final one, and then after this is completed, your iPhone should be completely up to date and ready to go. So here we have our phone. It has just completed the update. We'll tap it, turn it on, and as you can see, it is all ready for us to use. And that is how you update your iPhone to iOS 18. Thanks for watching.